some of the coins that are there that were struggling in regulatory limbo and may now be considered commodities, and so then may be listed on Coinbase and may get that pop?
I mean, the easiest is Ethereum, right? That's what's been overhanging this entire thing was Ethereum a security? Very clearly said it's not a security. So that to me is the best one.
Our next guest used to manage over $7 billion at Goldman Sachs before leaving to start a passive crypto index fund. Christopher Matta is a co-founder of Crescent Crypto Asset Management. He joins us for his Fast Money debut. Chris, welcome to the show. Great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.
You left when? Last year?
Last fall.
Last fall. So it was just before the huge run-up.
Yeah, exactly. So at the time, the space was really starting to grow. It went from being a personal hobby to being a full-time focus. And at the time, there weren't really any passive players in the space. There were a handful of active managers charging 2 and 20 or 3 and 30, very high fees. And we had demand just in our own networks being known as the crypto guys.
At Goldman.
At Goldman. We had demand from colleagues, friends, and other people in our network for a really complexity-free product that they wanted to get diversified exposure to the space. So it was kind of the perfect timing.
Is there diversified exposure to this space since so many of them are correlated?
Yeah, so there's various levels of correlation between these coins, but holding a basket of 20 versus just holding Bitcoin, you're going to get better absolute and risk-adjusted returns because of that diversification benefit that you get. So even though each coin may be incremental, it's still better than holding just something like Bitcoin. Your drawdowns will be less volatility. With holding a diversified basket.
How important was the SEC and what?
So this Goldman to crypto guy is basically saying what I'm saying, but he's even mentioning more diversification. He's recommending 20. For me, I would say minimum 5, but as you invest more money into crypto, especially if you're like over $5,000 invested, I would definitely increase it to 10. And then if you are investing over 10,000, I highly recommend that you do what he says, and you should be investing in 20 coins. And it is a little tricky at first to be able to get on to Binance, KuCoin, Bittrex, and to be able to buy these altcoins. But don't be in a rush, because obviously you have to educate yourself. And also there's a lot of regulations that are being passed. So I do recommend for newbies to possibly check out Bittrex first, because it has way stricter US regulation and it's going to be harder for shit coins to go on there. But at the end of the day, if you're looking to diversify your assets and you don't want the US government seizing your assets, KuCoin and Binance are your best friends because they're offshore. So I would definitely get a wallet there. Maybe not have a high amount there, but just have wallets there just in case. But let me know your thoughts on this, and I will talk to you guys soon.